Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a watch me work on myself. It's an ombre set with some bling and I did a little flower. Like I said, this is a watch me work, so I'm not going to be talking too much, but I hope that you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, just let me know down below and I'll be chiming in here again in a minute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in a second.
Everything that I see, I want your heart, love, and emotion endlessly. I can't get over you. Every mark of me, I need your heart, love, and emotion endlessly. 'Cause you're a bad boy, you know it. You act so different around me. But you're a bad boy, you know it. I know exactly what you could be. Just so long going on. 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 Oh yeah, just so long going on. Oh yeah, just so long going on.
Okay, so when I do my ombre, I work one finger at a time because I think that it blends better when both of the colors that you are ombreing together are still kind of wet. So I go ahead and lay the color that I want at the tip. I lay that down and then I use my nude and I just lightly swipe it down to blend it. Don't swipe it down super hard, because if you swipe it down super hard, your acrylic bead is just gonna disappear. Like, you're not gonna get a blend. You need to do it very light so you still have your color but you're not wiping away all of the powder, if that makes any sense. Yeah, if you guys want an in-depth tutorial on ombre, just let me know, because I know that explanation was kind of poo, but yeah, you just have to kind of practice. But you guys can see what I'm doing, so I hope that helps more than me sitting here trying to explain what I'm doing. So yeah, just make sure you're swiping lightly when you're trying to blend your colors together, and make sure that your beads are still wet. I feel like that helps the blend if both of the colors are wet. So yeah, I hope that made sense, y'all. But yeah, if you have any questions on that, just let me know down below and I will answer you.
But you're a bad boy, you know it. I know exactly what you could be. Just so long going on. Just so long going on. Just so long going on. Just so long going on.
Okay, so after I go in with my hand file, when I'm doing my own nails, I always go in with my e-file just to help straighten out the top. I don't know, I just feel like I can't get it super straight with the hand file. It's easier for me to get it straight on myself with the e-file, so that's what I go ahead and do. And now I'm just filing it, making sure that my cuticles are really nice and tight and flush. That's why I'm going in with the cuticle, or at the cuticle, and then I'm just getting rid of the bulk on my nails. So I'm going to do that for all of these nails, and I'll be back in a bit. So when creating 3D flowers, you want to work with really dry beads. If your beads are wet, you're not going to be able to get that definition. So you want to make sure that your beads are nice and dry, and then your brush should just be slightly wet so that you're not wetting up the bead while you're pressing down. Making sure that everything is nice and dry ensures that, like I said again, you get that definition that you need in your flower to, you know, make it look a little bit more realistic. So I'm just going in and doing 3 curved petals like this, rounded petals, and then on the top and bottom petal they're going to be pointed. And yeah, with this I'm using a 3D white acrylic. It's a little bit more dry than a regular acrylic, so like I said, working with dry beads helps a lot when doing 3D work. So this powder sets up a lot quicker and it's drier, so your beads don't get wet and it makes it easier to work with. So I would definitely recommend that, especially if you're a beginner, because this will set up a lot faster than a regular acrylic. However, if you just have a regular white acrylic, you can use that too. Just know that it'll probably set up a little bit slower, so you'll have to make sure that when you pick up the bead, it's really dry.
We got friends in my house, you know the way.
Now I'm going in with my bling, and I use my IBD builder gel like I did in my last video to stick on my rhinestones. That's what I always use. I don't think I showed it, but yeah, I'll have it linked down below. I also put the bling on my middle finger. I didn't put that in there because when I put on bling, it takes me forever because I have to like try things out and do like trial and error. So I didn't put that in there because it literally took me like 15 minutes just to figure out how I wanted to put the stones. So yeah, but now I'm going in with my IBD top coat. This is my favorite top coat, and I'm just top coating the nails, and then I'm going to cure them underneath my light for 60 seconds. Alrighty guys, and this is the final product. I really love how they came out. They came out so freaking pretty. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.